At Humax, we want to make going green more convenient. We make this easy with our OZEV-approved universal charger that can be used with all electric vehicles. Its ergonomic design also makes sure the charger is easy and comfortable to use. It's fully compliant with UK regulations. Connect the charger to the dedicated app to set charging schedules and manage your tariff all in one place. A great way to save money. You can also plug in and charge outside your schedules as and when you need, and tap your RFID card to start charging. Reduce your carbon footprint with our solar charging mode, and you can always top up from the grid to ensure your vehicle is fully charged. Share the device with friends, family and even visitors, and monitor all accounts from the app. Built-in pen fault protection and tamper detection notifications mean you, your car and the charger are always protected. Plus, our friendly and experienced customer support is there for you always, giving you unmatched peace of mind. Drive greener, charge smarter. Visit humaxcharging.com for more information.